Welcome to the Central Waqf UMEED Portal. Let's continue. Now enter details of the income of the property. Select the applicable financial year from the drop-down field. Enter total gross annual income of Waqf from all sources, including nazar and offerings. Please note the value must be greater than total expenditure. Select type of expenditure from the drop-down list. Choose the file to upload the land revenue paid. Click on Choose File to enter expenditure on menu. The total expenditure is auto-calculated of all the items. Similarly, net income is also auto-calculated. Annual contribution for last financial year 2024-25 is also auto-calculated, which is 7% of the net income. Enter actual annual contribution paid to Waqf Board in INR. Next, whether annual accounts of the last financial year of Waqf property completed. Select Yes or No option as applicable for account completion. Now upload the audit report in PDF format in Upload Audit Report section. Now enter details of government land information. Is the property on government land? Select Yes or No from the option. Whether the property is under Protected Monument or Area, Ancient Monuments Act. Select option Yes or No as per the heritage laws. If yes, enter the details in Ancient Monument Details section. Whether Waqf property belongs to members of scheduled tribes under the provision of 5th or 6th schedule of the Constitution. Select Yes or No option accordingly. Specify whether it falls under the 5th or 6th schedule. If 5th is selected, then select applicable option from the drop-down field. Now, enter encroachment information whether the Waqf is under encroachment. Select Yes or No to indicate if the property is encroached. Now choose fully or partially from the drop-down menu to describe the encroachment. Enter the numeric value of the encroached area in Area Under Encroachment. Enter name of the encroacher. Choose the religion of the encroacher from the drop-down list and describe the encroachment details and action taken. Now, we will continue the next step in the next video. Stay tuned for more such informative videos.
अल्पसंख्यक कार्य मंत्रालय, भागीदारी से भाग्योदय।